I don't know if you can see that, but we're like halfway. The worst dipstick in the world. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. It is a hot one today. We're actually headed out. We're gonna go carve some canyons or drive some canyons today. I haven't actually taken the 350z and driven canyons since like the first or second video I posted on my channel since I came back after like a year. So that's what we have planned for today. I got the GoPro, I got the drone, I got the gimbal, I got everything we need to get some awesome footage today. And then I think we're actually headed over to a car show tonight, which is gonna be pretty awesome. Hopefully my camera, I have a G7X Mark II and the low light is just okay on it. Hopefully I'll be able to catch some, you know, some good footage of the car show tonight and show you guys some of the cars that show up. Last week I went, I didn't film anything though because I wasn't sure how the camera was going to be, so I didn't bring it. They had over 100 cars, so it's going to be pretty awesome, and I'm going to be shooting drone pictures for the show tonight. So if you guys are interested in seeing those, go to follow my Instagram at livinglikejohnny. I'll be posting those on my story, and that's what we have planned for today. So we just put some oil in the car, which is awesome. And we're kind of low on gas. We have like a quarter tank, so we might go get some gas. I'm kind of hungry. I might get some food as well. Then we are going to rip some canyons today because it is well overdue, and I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much again for joining me on my YouTube channel. Let's do it. Look at this guy's 350z. I think we need a photo shoot with him soon. It just sits out there. Like, I've never talked to him. Like, I need to talk to him. Gang, gang. 329, not bad, not bad. I mean, it's still a lot, but it's not bad. It's not like 399 like last summer. All right, mission accomplished. Gotta get that hand sanitizer because they say coronavirus is gone, but you never know. Sketchy, 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 sketchy. So we got gas, we've eaten, now it's time to go drive. I'm super excited, got the GoPro right here, I'm gonna put it on probably like, so we're just cruising out right now. I'm actually headed to this one canyon I know, it's over here in these mountains. It's not too far out, which is pretty great. It's like not even 15 minutes from my house, and it's super fun. Tightest suspension in the world, man. It's a cone zone, you guys. We can't go crazy in a cone zone. This road we're headed to is actually right up here. I guess it's called Sage Road. Oh yeah, this is not dangerous. Stop in the middle of this. Ooh. All right, curves and grades next 15 miles. Look at this. I did see a car up here, so we might come across someone pretty soon. Oh man, that felt amazing. Like, I don't know. We can get by this person? I think so. I think we're chilling. Don't do that. Don't do that. second. Oh my, yes, this is what I wanted, you guys. Dang. What a road. Get the adrenaline pumping, you guys. Dang, oh my God. Okay. We're basically at the top now. This is where it becomes, I mean, it's still pretty canyony up through here, but this is where it becomes more like a lot of more straight, like long roads where you can gain speed and stuff. I'm gonna look for a spot up here to pull off, maybe get some drone footage. Something in the back is sliding around. What an amazing road. Like, you know, the people that decide to live out here in the mountains and stuff that really, you know, make people pave roads like this, I applaud them. Because without those people that want to live out here like that guy, there would be no roads. There would just be dirt out here. And you wouldn't get to experience all this, so thank you to those people. I have no idea what's over here, but we're gonna go this way. They say don't take your 350z off-roading, but you know, oh shoot. Oh God. I just want to find a cool spot. Is that too much to ask? Bro, why are you out here in your lowered Z? Like there's nothing for you out here. And they're probably right. I'm flipping it back, you guys. Y'all can sound crazy down in the comments. Oh, that's a good spot. So I just got out and got some drone footage of the car out here in the dirt. Kind of an interesting spot, but you know, I like to change it up, you know, like the same asphalt parking lots are cool, you know, but you know, there's something about just like totally different scenery. So I think it's pretty awesome. Let me know what you guys think of that little cinematic I put together there. So it's 3 o'clock right now. I'm gonna head back to the house and look at some of this footage, and then we have the car show tonight. That's gonna be pretty exciting. We're gonna rinse the car down real quick just so it's nice and clean for the car show tonight. I know it's gonna be in the dark, but you know, I heard the LEDs are gonna be pretty bright, so you never know, People might be looking close and stuff, you know. Like we went and canyoned it today, so there's probably all kinds of dead bugs and stuff, so we're gonna get those off so no one can judge us at the car show, because that's a thing. Air dry. Oh, here's that bump. Oh God. Jeez, man, she cleans up so well, you guys. I had to come over to this cleaning bay thing over here that no one comes to, seriously. There's like 5 wash bays right here that nobody ever uses. Here, walk over there. There it is. Some people use them, but I mean, for the most part, nobody uses these compared to the other ones on the other side of that green fence. I think it's because this is $3 to start, and the other one's $2 to start. So if you only have $2, you're gonna use the other one, you know what I mean? I mean, the nice thing is like there's so much shade and no one comes over here, so we can just line this with cool cars if anyone wants to come hang out. I'm so excited for the car show tonight. Honestly, I don't know anybody usually at the car shows. I just go with my best friends, David and Robert, and sometimes my brother will go. Other than that, if you guys see me at the car show tonight or any future shows, come say hey, like serious. But Jeez, she cleans up good. All right, guys, so that's basically what I have planned for today. I'm probably gonna head home right now, look at some of this footage, get some more food, and then I'm gonna meet my friends over at my friend David's house, and then we're gonna cruise to the car show tonight at like 8:30, 9 o'clock, because it goes from 9 to 11 tonight, so it's gonna be pretty awesome. I'll see you guys in a few hours, or like 30 seconds for you. It's super late right now. It's like 9:30. We're headed to the car show. It's a little late. I know it's a little late, but we're headed to the car show right now. Hopefully, I mean, there's probably gonna be a whole bunch of people there still, but it's gonna be pretty awesome. I've had a good amount of caffeine, so we should be chilling. We got David and Robert in the truck behind me, so that's gonna be fun. Yo, yo. Almost there, it's like right around this corner. Let's go to 11. Dude, I'm gonna fly the drone in a second before people start leaving, you know? These same people were here last week, I think.
I would like that.
That's cool. Oh, shoot. Can't go wrong with 350, you know? Dude, serious. Dude, I love that color. I'm gonna paint the Z that color. Yeah. Dude, that's cool. Dude, the low light's not bad on this camera. It looks pretty good. At least here.
Looks better than real life.
I know. It looks better than real life.
It's like chilling. We didn't even make it down the hill.
That turbo D's?
To make it up the hill to see if
I'm gonna fly the drone for a second. Dude, underglow? Dang. Yeah, I would do that to my car if I had that, honestly. That's clean. Jeez. Aw, shoot. Drift it.
What stop?
Last but not least, this sexy beast right here. We got a muffler delete, bro. We got a muffler delete. So drop a comment down below if we should muffler delete David's truck. I think it would sound phenomenal. It would sound great. Thank you guys. If you got to the end of this video, please drop a thumbs up and drop a comment down below if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for joining us in today's video. Again, it was kind of a long one, or it was kind of just a random mishmash of stuff, but you know, if you like these little night car shows, then we'll do more of them. So anyways, thank you guys so much for joining us. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.